Hello everyone. I'm here to share one of my smaller little journals I made with you. These are hardback covers and it is 4.5 by 6.25. And I think she has 8 signatures inside. Yeah, 8 signatures, 6 pages per signature. And she has the twine binding, I should call it. It's twine binding. And I made the cover out of chipboard and cardstock and a little elastic closure here. And I used some Shabby Shutters ink on the outside of this one. And it did some layering and some little cute little, my own homemade beaded trim that I made. And yeah, looking inside. I just still use some of those same pages or papers that I posted in my other journals. Just some of this has cardstock and paper inside. None of it is coffee dyed. It lays really flat for journaling. And I just did some little snippet paper pockets. And this is a vintage card and some coffee dyed sewn ephemera. And I'll flip through this so you can see some of the pages. I'll just go through the first side of the signature and then just go to the second side. I'll just do the decorated pages. And this is just another little snippet with these cute little ephemera pieces. Let's see. Some stickers that I got off of Wish. I have to sit down. My back's killing me. That is the first signature. And here's another little paper snippet with Screech Owl, I think. That's who this tag is from. I love these journals. They're so cute. Another little sticker. And a little tuck spot right here. And I just did a lot of these. I'm going to do a little tutorial on these little snippet piece tuck spots that I've done as well. This is the second half of the signature, so I'll just find the decorated pages. So that's the first one. And here is another one. And these two little tags inside. I think this is Dreams, Etc. and Tracy Fox. And over here, this one. And this is a old piece of ephemera from 1968. I love that. So cute. It's so hard for me to get rid of those cute little... I guess I didn't flip through the first half of this, so I'll flip through the second half. There's another sticker. And over here I have one of the Tim Holtz little... I don't know what you call this thing. All these little pockets inside. Can't remember what he calls it. I'd have to go get it over there and find what it calls it. But there's a little bunch of a little cute ephemera in here out of my stash. I love this Tim Holtz wallpaper right here. So cute. So cute. And third signature. Here is another little spot. I just love making these little snippets, and I just sew across the top. They're so cute. And they just, I don't know, springtime, summertime looking. I love it. Love this paper too. Another sticker, another little spot. And this is another vintage old photo. Let's see what's in the second half of this one. I don't think I put anything in the second half of this one, which I think I'm going to have to do. I always end up putting something in it again. After the video's over, I always end up adding to it. Did I glue? Oh no, I stapled her in. She's supposed to stay there, Paula. Leave her alone. And then we have this one. I probably tug on her until I rip her out. Oh my goodness, I am a goof. That's cardstock. I am silly sometimes, I'll tell you. Here is another little spot. I love these, they're so cute. Little old piece of ephemera. Oh, that's just cardstock. That's Artie Mae's, I believe. A little leaf sticker. I love these pages in here. They're so pretty. So cute. There's another little tuck spot. When it comes to the cardstock, I think I got more than one page. Oh my goodness. There's another little sewn spot with this piece of ephemera. I don't remember who that is. Where I got that. Another cute little spot. Whoops, that way. And this is the second half of the signature. And then we got this cute little spot. I love these. I love putting just pieces together and random pieces. It makes it look so cute. I love that. Oops, get in there a little further. There we go. I think I missed a page. I think I did. Oh my goodness. And she's stuck too, Paula. Leave her alone. She's sewn in. I love that. So cute. And this is Trina. Oh, Trina made this. I thought it was a double one, but it's only one. And it's so cute. You journal on the back. Oops. Gotta put it in like this. Another little sticker. A little tuck spot with a vintage recipe card. I love this one. Another pretty sticker. And then this beautiful little printable. Another little spot there. These are all the same. Oh, this is just clipped on there, stapled with my little Tiny Tim stapler. And then over here, we have these two, that little layering. And that is it. That is this little girl. She's so cute. She's got to go out in the mail, so I had to get her little video done. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around and watching my little video. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And I will see you soon. I have more videos coming up soon. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't mind. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.